I'm not even gonna lie, I almost gave up on gardening, like, completely. I have about 45 minutes before I have to go to work, so I'm heading outside to work in the garden a little bit. Last night was the first night that I left my pepper plants outside overnight. It got bad. Nothing was growing like I planned. I killed my tomato plants about 3 times. Weeds were taking over. I was working 45 hours a week, and I just felt like I put in all this effort for nothing. In one word, I felt defeated. I know I can't be the only one who have started something a million times and then just wanted to quit after it just wouldn't go right over and over and over again. So I took a pause, not on just making content, but gardening altogether, and I began to seek the Lord on if or when I should return to this place. So here I am, back in the garden, back sharing content with you guys. If all else fails, I know I'll have zinnias growing in my garden. No marble. Nope. Stop it. Stop following me. I don't know who needs to hear this, but just because something looks dead doesn't mean it's completely over. So instead of letting another season pass me by, I'm going to start small. So here's to starting small. Messy doesn't mean finished, and it definitely doesn't mean over. So if you're like me and you've been feeling overwhelmed, feeling defeated, feel like giving up, this is your sign to just start little by little. We can do this together. Let's encourage and motivate one another. Come here for a second, girl. Okay, that's all the time I have right now. I need to eat something and change and get ready to go to work. So, bye guys.